Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Custom. Now this is one sexy looking car. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. And the purpose of my videos here with the virtual test drive is for you to get a look at the car out in the sun and virtually put you in the driver's seat. For all the additional information, when it comes to 100 or so additional pictures, the interior, undercarriage, under the hood, trunk, all the information and details we have about the build, engine size, everything, and the selling price, when we're done, go on over to volocars.com. And we have our whole inventory there for you. Looks awesome, and it is on air ride, so you can adjust it however you like, if you want to go lower or higher. So you open the door here. The interior looks great. I love the black with the tan. Looks real clean. Shut the door. All right, this car does not have seat belts, so I'm not forgetting it. It doesn't have it. And this is not meant to be driven in the rain at all. There are no windshield wipers either. So let's go and start it up. Ignition down here. Automatically adjust down. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it up a little bit here. So we're not riding too low. Don't want to damage anything here. Oh yeah. A little sunny out. I'm just trying to be able to see the numbers. All right, that'll be good. All right, so the seats are really comfortable. The dash looks great. Looking in here, I'm not seeing any damage, any tears, cracks. You have your e-brake down here. Inside, it comes with vintage AC, tilt wheel. So you turn on the AC. Blows out and it feels like it's colder than it is outside. Has your power windows. Overall, this thing is awesome. It has your cluster gauge up here, your tachometer, speedometer, oil pressure, engine temp, volts, and then your fuel gauge. That fuel gauge is working. I put a few gallons in it, popped right up to just under half. So let's see your light controls down there. That's pretty cool. I love this dash. It's updated and it looks classy. I love this. So this is the first time myself or anyone else from the shop's had a chance to take this out on the road. So we're going to be experiencing everything together for the first time, and anything that we come across, we'll know about it, get it in the shop, get it all up to snuff for you. Oh, it also has the manual or automatic overdrive. So all right, let's go for a ride. I'm going to start out just getting the hang of it, and then I will open it up a little bit later in the video. Sounds mean. Steers great. Feel it might be a little pull to the right there. See the tachometer's working, speedo's working. The engine temp's already up there. The oil pressure is reading 0, so that's something that we're gonna have to look into, that gauge. Fun ride right here, and it's gorgeous. Brakes feel nice, not too hard, not too mushy, soft. This is actually pretty comfortable for an air ride. You have a lot of air rides, the moment you hit a bump, you actually feel the jolt every time. And this one still feels really comfortable. These aren't the smoothest of streets by any means, and I'm really pleasantly surprised at how this rides. Get on a little bit here. Wow. Alright, so this thing has some power to it too. The next pass by I'll get on a little more. I just want to get the feel. I don't want anything crazy to happen. Real easy to control. One today. Roll up the window. Woo! Oh, that was fun right there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, I'm not 100% sure what's under this hood. So if I were you, now's the time. If you haven't already clicked subscribe, go ahead and do that on our YouTube channel, and now go on over to volocars.com, see the whole write-up, the pictures and everything, because this beauty is also a beast. As always, I appreciate you.